Stand up there.
Come on, let's go. Hold on the rope, baby. Baby, hold on the rope.
Start. Come on this way. Stop. Okay. Come up this way. Connie, come up this way. No, this way, look, with Connie. Connie! This way.
Start moving forward, buy yourself some spaces. I'm going to start another demonstration to show you how we make all of our handmade products down here, okay? Is everyone having a good day so far? Yeah. Okay, so my name is Diego, I am one of the chocolatiers in Cadbury. Like I said, what we're doing is show you how we make our handmade stuff. So you might have had a little look around so far. We've got one of our chocolatiers over in this room, we've got Kyle who's making some lovely chocolate footballs. And over in this room we've got two of our decorators, we've got Dawn and Donna who's decorating all sorts today, so you can go and have a look at that after if you want. What we'll do first is start with my melted chocolate on the table. Okay, did everyone have a go at hand tempering first? We are spreading the chocolate out, yeah? If you didn't, those will be hand tempering. This is the old-fashioned way of how we used to cool down chocolate. So before we had machines, we'd have to spread it along the table, okay? And then once you got it nice and flat, we'll just move that chocolate around, lift the chocolate up, and scrape the chocolate off, and put a little air into the chocolate, okay? You look up there. We'll give the chocolate a nice shine, make it sticky, and just get the chocolate ready to go into a mold. You can do this 2 or 3 times, and the chocolate should be nice and cool. You see, you get much thicker now, so if I can pour my chocolate back into a nice bowl, spread it back out again, I can put the chocolate getting a little bit thicker. I can also start to see all these little tiny bubbles inside the chocolate. Okay, these are good signs that the chocolate now is starting to cool down. So once I've put all this chocolate back into a bowl, we should have tempered it enough, and it should be around 27-28 degrees, and perfectly go into one of our molds. Alright, so let's move all this back. Once I've put it all back and I bring it to the right temperature, what I want to do before I pop it into the mold is just test the temperature of this chocolate and make it to the right temperature. A few ways you can do this: you get your finger and just dip your finger into the chocolate, make sure there's no hot marks in there. And then you can either give the chocolate a taste or just place it at the back of your wrist if it feels nice and close to the touch, you know, ready. Another way what you can do is just drizzle the chocolate on top of itself. And if it sits on top of the chocolate like I'm doing right now, it's going to sink in, you know this chocolate is nice and cool. What we can do now is grab one of our plastic molds and go to the molding process. Place it next to your chocolate, and then you just pick them as much as you can, placing it into the mould. Alright, then get your palette knife and we're just going to mould the chocolate around, spreading that chocolate as much as we can, trying to fill up as many gaps. Okay. What we need to do now is we need to get rid of all the air bubbles that are trapped inside our chocolate. If I little mould up, you can see that we've got those holes in the bottom of our chocolate. So they're just the air bubbles, stopping us from getting nice smooth chocolates. And the way we get rid of the air bubbles is really simple. Just like what Carmen's doing over there, she's tapping the mould on the table. Okay, that makes all the air bubbles rise to the top. So if I give it a tap, and shake. You can start to see some of the air bubbles now coming to the top of our chocolate. There we go, all them tiny air bubbles. If I look at the back of my mould, I can see that most of the holes have started to disappear. When I get to this stage, I've got two options. I can either leave my chocolates like this and have solid happy day milk, or I can sit the mould right down. You say you know your chocolate is nice and simple, the chocolate isn't going to come out. If I give it a tap on the table and give it a shake in the air, out comes the centre of our chocolates. Okay, so this is called shelling, and the reason we shell chocolate is to put a filling in. So if you want caramel, strawberry, orange, white chocolate, mint, anything like that, make your chocolate nice and hollow, just like this one right here. Then you're going to let it sit on the side for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then it should start to set, just like these ones right here. Any chocolate on the top, you can just scrape off. And then you have your nice clean shells, and you can put any filling you want into these. Once you do have a filling inside, what we need is a base layer of chocolate to spear on top to make sure our filling don't go anywhere. So you can just grab the shelling chocolate and you can place it back on top and reuse it. So we can place this on top now. There we go. And this just makes sure the filling's nice and secure, it's not going to drop out. There we go. And then what we can do is give these chocolates one last one to scrape using our palette knife. And one last one to scrape with our scraper to remove any chocolate we can't use. These are now ready to go in the refrigerator, so pop these in. It's like around 30-40 minutes for the chocolate to set. So pop these in, and then your chocolate should come out something like this one here. Okay, so your chocolate should start to go a nice dark frosting colour at the back of the mould. Okay, that means the chocolate doesn't set. If you compare it to the mould over here, you can tell which chocolate is ready, and then which chocolate will have to stay in the fridge a bit longer just to set. Okay. And to get your chocolate out, it's really simple. Give it a twist on the edge of your table. Turn it upside down and just give it a tap. And there you go, a few more. And out comes our little handmade chocolates with our little cocoa beans on. So you can come and look at these chocolates in a bit more detail if you want. You can pick them up. Unfortunately, we're going to put these chocolates back in the machine and reuse them. So they're not as nice as the cleaning, so I can't let you eat them, unfortunately. Apart from that, guys, that is the end of my demonstration. Thank you all so much for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy well. Thank you. Enjoy. Have a nice day, guys.
Stand up there.